Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Semret Russom.
I'm Robil.
Today we're super excited to have you back. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and also hit the bell button because we upload videos every Tuesday on Tigrinya Tuesday. Alright guys, let's get into the program. Alright guys, so today we're super excited. We are doing another Habesha or Eritrean food. We're cooking. So this is a meat dish. It's called Tsebhi or Sga. Tsebhi means like beef or any type of meat, but specifically in Eritrea or Ethiopian, they eat it meat during unfasting season. So it's very special. They don't eat meat every single day. And so like my memory as a young girl is that on holidays they kill cows or goats, and so I used to look forward to it because then I get to eat meat, right? So this is definitely like bringing memories, being a young girl, getting excited about.
So it's something that they would have during holidays?
Holidays or like special occasion. I mean, nowadays people eat meat on the city, but specifically growing up, like it's not an everyday thing that they eat because they fast a lot. There's certain days they don't eat meat at all, or any meat product or dairy product, not dirty, dairy product. So yeah.
Onion, meat, and butter.
I think tomatoes.
And tomatoes, okay.
Oh, tomatoes too. And you can also add garlic.
You gotta have garlic.
Yeah, garlic, just seasoning to make it flavored. But the basic ones are onion is huge.
Onions, and is there a dish that onion is not in?
I know, right? We love onion in Eritrean dishes. It's like number one.
It is the best though.
And we love
especially with meat.
All right, so let's get cooking.
Let's get to cooking.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
So all this ingredient I'm gonna make right now. I watch him cook for us, so I'm going to attempt to be like the professional chef. So fingers crossed. Here we go. I think he put onions like that, like well with his amazing talented person that he is. But so I saw him going like this. I don't know what that does. It gives it like an action. So I'm gonna let that kind of cook for a minute. Okay, I'm gonna put oil. I think it's ready. So a lot of oil. And I'm gonna mix it. Oh. Maybe it's too high. So I saw him put everything in, so I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna put the meat in. Let's mix this in. I feel like it's gonna come off of you. I'm gonna add the tomato. I'm gonna add some of this. It tastes so good. We got salt. Doesn't this look so delicious? I think I need a bigger pot, right? But it's okay, I'll be fine. It'll be okay. So don't judge me, guys. Onion is just flying everywhere, you know, just dirty everywhere. But as long as I'm learning, I can clean this house and make it spotless. So I just need to do this. And I can't wait for my husband and our camera guy ready to try it because we had the same dish at the restaurant. Of course, I'm nowhere close to, you know, my friend's talent, but I learned something from him. That was a big deal. That I went to his place and watched him cook, and I was so fascinated how fast, how amazing he was doing it. And he made it sound so easy. So I'm like, maybe I could just try this at home. So this is me attempting to cook the same dish as what my friend did, but we will see, we'll see. So I can't take credit for this. My aunt made it for me before I had Delina. So obviously this doesn't go bad. I had it in the freezer. And my first time, I'm going to use it since the last time she tried it, right? She was cooking, doing everything in the house, and then she was like, yes, make sure you're eating the food, you can cook. She was telling me how to cook, and I was like, yeah. I totally forgot I have this, and so I'm gonna put this to use today. So obviously, you can melt this, but I'm just gonna put it in there. I'm gonna leave that. This might be good enough. Okay, so I'm gonna let this cook, and should be done in about 10 minutes. That's what he said. So in 10 minutes, we'll see if it is ready. All right. All right, you guys. So I have berbere in here, and I don't want to put too much. I just want to put a little tiny bit of berbere just for a look, to kind of give it a red look, but not so much for the spice. So I'm just gonna. That's good enough. So I forgot to put garlic in. I remember him putting garlic, I think. So I'm just gonna put diced up garlic already, a little bit in there.
Put more.
Really? No.
Garlic's good.
No. This is enough. This is like, I don't want to overdo it because I want it to be good. I want it to be, not, I want at least to have a good flavor. So, all right. So that's the last one, and it should be ready. So it's almost 10 minutes. So we're gonna try the dish that I just made.
What's it called?
It's called, hold on, I forgot already.
Sga.
Sga
Ep.35. Oh, what is it?
It means Sga. So it's red meat.
Yeah. This looks good and smells good.
It smells good. I just want to make sure it tastes good. I know if I can get at least close to, I watch this dish. Can you imagine? I'm trying to compare myself with a real guy who knows how to make.
This looks good to me. I think you did good on this one.
Really?
The sauce,
babe.
yeah.
And you guys, I always thought they add water in the sauce. I mean, when they make this this dish. And I always thought, oh, there's water in it, but it's not water. It's all the tomato, the juice from the meat. So I'm impressed. So I'll have you try it first. This is actually pretty good. Now, is this like my friend's dish?
Maybe not quite.
Maybe not quite there, but like for my first time, I think I did good.
Hey, give her some injera.
Injera.
Oh.
No? You want meat? No?
What do you want?
I like it actually. So making this was not hard because it was easy. You just put all the ingredients together. So that for me, that was like very simple.
I taste the flavor the most in the soggy injera on the bottom. That's the best place to taste the sauce because that's where it all went.
That's where it all went, yes. So it's good?
Yeah.
You guys, I think, what do you give me? Like,
on this?
Yeah.
I mean, for your first time, I give you a 10.
Aw, babe, that's so sweet.
But I mean, if you have to compare it to a professional, then you're, 7 or 8 maybe?
That's good. I thought you were gonna say 5.
Well, I don't want you to think that it's like mediocre, but it's better than average.
Which way? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give thumbs up, and also if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. And otherwise, we'll see you guys next Tuesday.
Ciao.
Bye.